Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing two things. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be installing a drain kit for the oil catch can that is already on my Evo 10. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually be fixing a warranty issue with the oil catch can. MAPerformance is well aware of this issue. They've already went ahead and fixed it. So if you do purchase an oil catch can, don't even worry about this warranty issue. This is only for people like me who had purchased one a couple years back. It's not a big issue, but it was a little annoying to me. Whenever I was driving, coolant would always be spilling out of the top of the reservoir section. The whole thing looked really nasty, always dirty. Didn't matter what level I had the coolant at, it wasn't fixing the issue. So like I said, they are completely aware of the situation. They'll send you everything you need. You just watch my video, that way you can see exactly how it's done. Alright, so this is what I'm dealing with. As you can see, the coolant always comes out of this little port. It spews out, makes a huge mess all the time. Constantly having to clean up after it. Got just a bunch of dry, crusty coolant all over the place. So one of the goals for today is to replace this little top where the coolant goes and feed a hose down one of these holes and make it look a lot cleaner. If it does overflow, then at that point it'll discharge towards the bottom where I'm not gonna see anything.
So now you have to buy an overflow?
No, they gave it to me for free.
Where is that?
It's in the box.
Is it part of the process?
Yeah, I have to remove it so I can install the drain kit underneath. I've got two jobs going at the same time. That is just this. That's easy. The other one,
Oh, your drain for your oil, your catch can.
I have to attach to the bottom. Yeah. This is what's frustrating. One would think that MAP would provide that drain kit with the oil catch can.
Why not?
It's 50 bucks. It's like just add it to the freaking price, you know? But I don't know.
Some people might have existing drain setups that they develop themselves or something. That
Maybe.
this is kind of their entry level thing. If you want to add on to
There you
it,
go.
do it.
I could have built one. I know.
All right, there you go.
All right.
So that whole thing just comes out as one unit.
These are
I got my boost controller in.
nice. So you got to full send it now? This is such an
I need
awkward,
to hook it up. I might do
such
that
an
tomorrow.
awkward fit, bro. Ooh.
What's this guy go to?
Oh,
Oh,
it goes to the radiator.
That will take place of that. One of them will take place of that, and one of that.
Let's
no?
see. This is oil, so it would be right here. So this little L-shaped bracket is supposed to go here so that we can put this on. I'll do Teflon. Better safe than sorry, you know? Just gonna spray down some water, clean this up a bit, because I'm tired of it looking all crusties. Once I finally attached the braided clear tubing to the bottom of the oil catch can, I ran it through, making sure that it wouldn't rub up against the pulleys. It's pretty much running down with the AC lines up against the frame of the car. The thing that's left is this part. You have yourself a bolt, you have like a spacer, and then you have this. So if you look under here on the passenger side, so this is where you would find your oil filter, just to give you some perspective. And then right here, there's a hole. That hole is where you're gonna thread that bolt into so that it can hold the drain kit right in here. Here's the clear tubing We just have to make sure that these pulleys aren't going to destroy this tubing. We'll probably zip tie it up against the frame. And then we bring this guy back up. Just like that. I decided to put this elbow line in the upright position because it's pretty flexible, so whenever I do have to empty out the oil catch can, all I have to do is bring the line down like this and then open up the valve and it should still drain out. I can even go about as to rotate the whole coupling down like this and drain it, so it's not really a big deal. I'd like to think that that's what they designed it to do, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all it takes. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fix this little splash situation that we have going on with the coolant. MAP was kind enough to send us this for free. This is the part number if you are wondering, so that you can contact them and ask for the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up before I even put the new one on. Alright, the top of the oil catch can is cleaned. Now time to put the coolant back into the reservoir. If you look in here, it's got like a little tiny square. You're gonna want to throw this spaghetti line down that. You do have to remove the front bumper. The reason why you have to remove the front bumper is because your hand can't physically fit down in there. Once the front bumper is removed, you can clearly see that is where the bolt and the little bracket belong. And the spaghetti line just falls right down in there and looks pretty clean. Well, there you have it. That is exactly how it looks like. Super clean. Very nice design. Goes straight down. I've been driving this car for a while now. Absolutely no mess on the top. No coolant spots anywhere. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.